SHAIK IMRAN. I am from Mongol. I had completed my B.TECH at Engineering of Technology at the branch of CSIOT, and I am 2026 passed out. In the March month, I had joined the Jspiders and I had taken the data analytics course, which contained Python, SQL, and Power BI and Excel. Python was taught by Rahul sir, and SQL taught by Rajat sir and Harsha sir. And Excel and Power BI taught by the Mohan sir, and Python programming was taught by the Sasha sir. And I given the several mocks and presentations to increase myself. And when giving the interviews and presentations, I had given increased my communication and my strengths. And I had sought out the what are problems I am facing in the interviews. And HR and Jspiders team were helping me to give a survey interviews in the off-campus too. Even the attending 1 to 3 interviews, I got placed in recent company, and it is a AI data engineer role. It is a 15 months, 15K for 6 months, and based on performance, salary will be declared. Thank you.